Welcome to Gray Systems, and thanks for purchasing one of our online courses. This short video is designed to help you get started and get the most out of your course. To begin, when you registered for the course, you used an email address. That email address is your username, and you will use it to access your course. Your password is your zip code. Now that you have your username and password, go to www.graysystems.com. Then go to Community Association Manager, Pre-Licensure Courses, CAM Exam Online Review, and finally, CAM State Exam Online Review Login. The login page will come up. Enter your username and password, and click on Submit. Module 1, Lesson 1C, The Manager and the Association. Now, as each slide comes up, you will move through the course simply by clicking on the Next button in the lower right corner. We're going to fast forward now to what are called knowledge checks. Found at the end of each module, these checks will test your knowledge of the presented material. Let's try one. You see, when you select an incorrect answer, you are given the opportunity to review the material. Once I've reviewed, I can then retry. Now that I know the right answer, I can move on to the next question. Moving on. When you've passed all of your knowledge checks, you can either return to the course or move on to the next one. We want to move on. So I can now return to the module page and select my next course. As you can see, the course we took is checked, which means complete. A green circle means that the module is incomplete and that you must return to it. Okay, what do you do if you want to leave the course and come back later? Let's walk through what to do if you're in the middle of your course and want to leave and come back later. On each slide, you'll see an X in the upper right-hand corner. Click on the X to bookmark your place in the course. When you click the X, you will return to your module list. See the green ball? Again, that means that the module is incomplete. To return to your bookmarked slide, simply click on the course name. You'll get a prompt that will ask you if you'd like to continue where you left off. To do so, simply click Yes. Important note: if you are using an Apple product, please note that currently Apple products do not support our bookmarking process. Therefore, if you're on a Mac or iPad, we recommend that you either complete the course without stopping, or if you must leave it and come back later, leave the course open in your browser. What does the table of contents do? Good question, especially if you're an Apple product user. The topics you've covered will have check marks next to them in the table of contents. This helps you remember where you are in the course, and you can go to a particular slide in the course simply by clicking on it in the table. What happens if I get stuck? If at any time a page gets stuck, use the back button in the lower right-hand corner of the course page, not your browser's back button. If you use the browser back button, you will be returned to the program outline page where you need to select the desired module again. How do I get back if I did not bookmark my place? If you did not bookmark the course link and you would like to return to your course after closing out of it, do not return to the registration page. Instead, go to the graysystems.com website and click on Online Review Course Login under the Pre-Licensure Courses tab. Things to do before starting. Before you begin, you will want to do a couple of things to ensure that your course will flow without incident. Number 1, clear your cache. Next, make certain that both your power source and your internet connection are reliable. Plug your laptop into a wall outlet if it's battery powered. As for internet, find a good Wi-Fi connection and minimize the number of other devices on your network while taking the course. Next, favorites. During the course, you may be asked to click on links that will take you to web pages outside the course. You'll want to favorite these links so that you can go back to them later on. Google resources such as this one. It's a hamilton.edu page on how to add websites to your favorite bar. Thank you and good luck. If you have any difficulty that you cannot resolve, please call 800-223-5457 or email sgray@graysystems.com anytime, weekdays or weekends.